Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today is, what is today? Monday, September 19th, 2022. I'm back. Going to be trading different hours and different times, basically because I need to coach as well. And I'm just going to be trading in different times and different places, and that's just the way it needs to go right now. So what I'm doing right now is actually working on my spreadsheet. Haven't updated it for a while. Actually, the last time I traded was in July. I did buy into the 80% off. I think it was last Tuesday or Wednesday, whenever that deadline was. I just haven't got around to trading until this week. It's a little after 10 a.m. my time, Eastern time. And right now I'm just filling in my spreadsheet. So I'll bring this over here so you can see what I'm doing. Going back 9 days, I thought I'd just record this. Starting on today's the 19th, 16th was the last trading day. And just working on my spreadsheet. And then off screen right here, I've got a daily chart that I'm plugging in open, high, low, and close. Going back 9 days. Kind of easing my way back into trading right now. And there's your data box right here. This is what you got to use when on this particular so 9/8's where I am, right? Yeah, right there. It's at 9/7, 9/8, 81.43, 83.77, is it 80.72? I'm having a hard time reading this. 83.06. Volume. I need to fix my volume figures, by the way. And the spreadsheet isn't picking it up correctly. 9/7. 86.45. 87.28 is the high. 81.02 is low. 81.46 is your close. 301.759. Now the old system, I could just drop and drag the data in with CTS, but with NinjaTrader, you got a little bit more intensive work when you're out. Take some days off to get the spreadsheet to work. So I have to plug in the numbers manually. 85.70, 86.40, 226.711. All right, we finally got that to work. That'll give us our ADR. So we're at, ooh, wow, still high on the ADR, 43 points. That makes a stop loss of 43, or half of that's 21.5 or 22. Right on this screen, we need today's open, high, low, and yesterday's close. So right now, on 9/19, we have an open of 84.81, high of 85.88, a low of 81.73 so far, and prior day close would be from the 16th, 84.76. So I usually plug in the open to start with up here, 84.81, 84.81. Other screen went off. A little jazz music in the background, maybe. Work jazz, we'll try that out. Make sure it's not too high in the background. So we're just working our way through this. So the spreadsheet is basically done. So that plugs in our numbers, right? Take the data box off the screen. What do we need to set up here? We need to look at, I think it's ATM2 that I worked on before. Oh, look at that stop loss right there, 43 points. Fairly close where we were right now, huh? What's wrong way? Look at 3P target in. 1.5 is 79. I really haven't made up my mind where I want to go there. I think we'll plug in a 2P target for now. Order 2. Okay, let's double check that. And let's look at ATM 1 while we're here. See what I had that on. Alright, so one contract should be 22. Half our stop. I'm pretty close where we were last time, huh? 1.5p, although I want this to register out to 3p right now since it's so late in the day, early in the day. Now that's also one that I'll use for a 1020 too, right? 10 tick stop with a 20 tick target. I'll use that ATM1 for that as well. Now I need to get the right account up. Let's do something here. Let's go into the simulator to make sure I know what the hell I'm doing.
Order filled.
So I'm in the simulator right now. I don't know what that did. Okay, that's 158 ticks there. Since there's the last traded price. Okay. Here's your stop. Okay, looks to be working right. This is a simulator, by the way. I'm not actually trading this. Alright, so what we got going on here? Switch this from daily to, actually let's bring the screen over here to see what I'm doing. This is a daily chart, right? I need to switch this to, let's go 60 minute to start with. See what the market is doing right now. It's just not a bad spot to be short. The market's going to turn around on the high bar volume. Look at the 15-minute chart. check our pivot points while we're here. 84.93, that's correct. 86.01, yes. 83.69 looks good. 82.61 here, that's all good. Let's see if we can find a real setup now. Do we get no simulator? This is obviously doesn't count. Notice that I'm in, well, you can't see it probably because my headshot's down here. Down here in the bottom it says SIM 101 right here. Let me get my screen draw tool so I don't screw this thing up here. Now my headshot's probably right in the way of it, but right in here, let me draw an arrow over there that says SIM 101 right there. So it's not a real trade. This is me just testing system out to make sure I'm comfortable with trading.
Stop
right now.
build.
And just so you see, here's your simulator. So that was a simulated trade basically, right? So it's not, doesn't take into account anything. Alright, so see if we can find a real setup. And it will count. So if I get used to trading again. Alright, so let's see what we see right now. Williams percent R. Possible setup here. Let's take a shot here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so what did I see right now? Seeing perhaps reversal. We're looking at right here. It's a good shot to take it on, it looks like. And then we have our Williams percent R failing right here. Here's our MACD. Now, what is that right there? That's not MACD. What the hell is that? Yeah, it is MACD. Can't remember what the hell I used anymore. MACD should have a stop at 22 ticks away on one, and then we should have the other one at 43 if we get to it. Well, it's up there. It keeps centering in on me. I can't seem to get to it. But I should have another stop above that. It keeps centering back in. Another problem with NinjaTrader I don't like, right? Trying to look at your stops, and I don't know how to get above this because this thing keeps kicking in. But anyway, it's 43 ticks away right now. 84.01. It's our entry point. So we should have 83.22 would be a 1.5 P down. 1 P down right now from entry point. Actually, we wanted to put it in up here. Measure it from here. We'll just keep it where it is. So 8401 is 8322. If we actually take the high bar, it's 8410. Puts the 1.5p stop at 8331. Profit target. Oh, that's right. We're only trading ATM1 right now, one contract. Okay, that's why I couldn't find the second stop. That's all right. That's not a bad way to ease into trading today. Maybe I need to trade this one contract. So 1p down from that area right up here. Let's measure it. So we're up here. 80. Let's check out this. What do we got? What's the data box tell me? 8416. So a move down from there would be 8363 would be a 1p down move. So remember how to do this. Drawing tool, find a line, and then we want to grab 8363, initial target. A 2p down move. $83.11. One and a half would be in the middle of those two, right? So 8337, kind of minimal target I'm looking for right now. Well, that sucked. I leave it out there. See if we can fix that. And then we have a 3p target at 8258. I can get that on there on the screen. I can't really plug it in yet. I guess we could. We need to, how do we do this again? How do I unlock the screen? $82.58. We'll hit this button, get back to normal. let's double check here. If I hit this right here, that closes the position. All right. That centers the market. That adds an order at market. Okay, this is not looking good for us right now. Did not go above the 84.15 though. Let's see. Here's what we're looking at on this side, right?
Stop filled.
Right, that took a 23 tick hit there. Let's blow this chart up and see if we can. And let's get in. Market was beat up all last week, if you remember correctly. Kind of a relief rally, maybe. So this is the 50% mark right there, where we were trading it, taking it on. Next area is up here, on the 84.46 area. You got your pivot point at 84.93. Let's make sure that we got the right strategy on now. ATM2. Here's where we came in at 84.01 and out at 84.24. It's a good shot to take it on right here at that mark.
Order filled.
Fibonacci number right here. Make sure I got one quantity so I can get in and out of this. This time I should be in 2 contracts. There's the second contract. You saw them both now. So basically we just took on a Fibonacci number here, right? trying to trade this one right here. We got a nice upward swing. Comes back down here. We got an opportunity to maybe capture it back into here. Here's some. Grab my screen draw. Got this area right here that might be, and you have this area too if it really wants to swing down. Alright, let's plug in that high right there. What was that high? Just about got the high right there, didn't we? Have a plan of attack. Alright, where's my freaking data box? 84.47. Initial target on the way down will be 83.94. Two P is 83.42. 3P target 82.89. I don't know if I can see that right now. It's let's see if we can get one out around here.
Order canceled.
Should make me one now. I'm in on one. Trying to get back to even right now. May or may not be the down move that we're looking for. This could be just a false signal right now. Let's go ahead and get out of this.
Order canceled.
Get a bonus there. So we're up, I don't know what we're going to be right now. We're up 10 ticks on 3 trades right now. Like a false breakout right there. Don't like the way that was coming back. Day one and up 10 ticks. That's not a bad day to start with right now. After being down 23 ticks. Oh, no, this needs to be cleaned so bad. Just haven't had the time to do nothing outside of coaching right now. Coaching and going to work. Or sometimes going to work. I didn't rephrase that because I don't like to work. I like trading though. Got me some pencils. Woohoo! Some paper-made pencils. Helped me with my coaching book. Lost my starting quarterback. He was in this other league. I'm getting my ass kicked out there. The boys need to learn how to play football. 84.51. All right, so it was a false breakout. We took advantage and got as much as we could on that one. Really don't know pivot point's probably the next target up here, so I want to stay away and see what happens around pivot now. I may take another shot at it around the 84, 85 mark, 84.93 to around pivot right now. Pivot looks like the place that might be in play right now. Let's be patient here. Let me, you guys haven't been grace with my presence for, now you got me for 31 minutes right now, so let me pause for a second. All right, hey, so I'm working on, by the way, I just got an email and text over the last couple of days that they're switching payout methods to Deal, DEEL.com, right? I don't know if you all seen this. Let me get my. So Apex is switching to this for payouts. Never heard of them yet, but obviously they've decided this is the one they're going with. Deal, DEEL.com. Right there. There's the. Anyways, there's some help videos inside the Apex site that you can go over and look at. I unpaused because I thought we were going to run a pivot point there. We got close, but we didn't yet run it. Let's get closer to pivot before I get involved in it. We close in on the pivot. I'll be back. I thought I'd share that information. So they have a new payout method called Deal to pay your PA account out, also your affiliate account. Apex Trader funding. Okay, took a trade on at the pivot point. All right, let's measure this here. Current high is 85.03. No, it's not. It's changed. $85.06. $85.06 is current high on that move up. All right, 1P down move from there is 84.53. One and a half P from there is 84.27. 3P down move from 85.06 is 83.48. See if the pivot holds here. This is what we got as far as action goes right now. All right, this bar went to 85.08. Double check. 85.08, yes. Makes 1p at 84.55. See a 1p down move at least from here. We bring it in at 84.55. A 2p down move is 84.03. See if we can get one out right around here.
Order canceled.
Alright, it took me out. I think I was supposed to right click and left click. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, but wanted to get a little bit of profit there. And we're going to protect the 84.95 mark. And we'll clear out if it gets up back up here again, because then I don't believe the pivot point's going to be actable at that point, and we'll call it a day. So I got one hand on the close button down here. Gets back to 84.95, we'll close it out and call it a day. So let's think about targets right now. 1.5p target right now is 84.29. That'd be a good trade right there too. If we can get down to that low. Alright, let's get the hand on the close button. We're up where's the freaking number at here? Realized profit unrealized at 150, realized at plus 26 ticks. So we can get a run with one contract right now. We were patient, waited for the waited for pivot to get run before I came into the trade. I'm hoping that we can get a nice downswing here. Let's while we're here, let's measure the retracement going from here to here. See where that 50% kicks in. Let's get rid of the other one for now. See what kind of downward movement that we got here that we could come back to for the trading session. Puts it around 83.40 to get down there. Interesting. Let's see what happens here. Once again, we'll clear out if we get. I'm afraid to put the next trade in here because it's been very sensitive about taking me out. So if it goes back up there to that entry point, probably grab around 5 ticks before it gets there. Try to end up with a plus 30 day right now at minimum. So it looks like I had 5 trades on the day. This will be my last trade for the day. I waited for my setup that I was looking for in the daytime. Got to find time to trade right now is my biggest problem I'm going to run into on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Monday, Tuesday right now. Finding time to get in front of a computer screen. Between work, switching shifts in December. I'm going to just become a full-time trader again. Love to. Okay. Means I need to be making a lot of money from Apex Trader funding. I need to be smart on my trading decisions and not just jump in any given time. Have a reason to get into the market. So 83.50 would be a 3P down from here. See if we can get a push down here. Officially, we have not run 1P from the high. The swing high right now of 85, what is it? 85.08. We need a 1P move down. Once again, is 52, 53 ticks. It's 84.55. Watching the 01 right there.
Order filled.
Are cleared. Plus 30 ticks. Okay, we'll just stick with that today. Auto liquidate pink balance at one time is 54.92. Count balance is 52.80. Something to write on here. Give me something to write on. Hot for teacher. Got my pencil. Alright, today was 9/19. Count high says 54.92. That's what it said. Count balance is at 50 something. 52.80. Auto liquidate threshold value is 47.992. Plus 30 ticks today. So what do we need? We need a 53,000 before, looks like now 47.992. Alright, so most likely we're going to, we went back over the pivot. Your guess is as good as mine where the market goes. It maybe go all the way up to R1 today, and this will be a reversal day. It's looking pretty strong that the market wants to recover some today. Probably best to stay out of the short side trades now. unless you have the ability to trade between, last hour, 1:30, 2:30. I'm going to cut out here. It's 12 o'clock. I think I was involved in the market for about, I don't know when I started, but let's go back and look at my first trade. I think that was my second trade in. I think that was my sim. Yeah, I had one trade. Yeah, I had one trade. I had a 2 contract trade up there. So it looks like officially I started around 10:24 or so. That's considerably above pivot now, so R1 perhaps. Let's get rid of the drawing tools while we're here. So that's not applicable anymore. What's applicable is probably this here. High from, what's that high? $9.16. This is Friday's high of the market, looks like. No, let's get on the right one. 86.18. All right. For me personally, this is going to be good enough for me for day one. So we got 1 day trading. But obviously I want to get the 53,000 as safely and as quickly as possible to move to the PA account. We had, I believe we had 5 trades overall today. All right, it's Dave Knight here for 123daytrade.com. I am back, slow but sure. Let's get to PA. Let's be steady, patient. Get back to the PA, and then take some money away this time around. So we'll be finding time to trade. Any point through Monday through Friday when I can find time to get in front of a computer, even if it's for a half an hour, and see something good to take on. I did like the short side of the market today with the upside swing. You can see where we tried to make some headway. Last trade we came in here at the pivot point and got a little bit of money on that and got out. It definitely didn't want to stay there at pivot, wanted to get up higher. Where it stops, probably go up to the R1, maybe as high as Friday's high right now. Friday's high is out there, right? 86. We talked about that. 86, whatever that was. What, 86? Right now that's 86.18. High from Friday. All right, I'm out of here. See you on the next video I put together. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.